Good morning, grade 4. Our lesson for today is about identifying possessive nouns. What is possessive nouns? Possessive nouns are used to show possession, owning, or having. Rule number 1. The possessive form of most singular nouns end in an apostrophe and s. Examples: the ship's sails, the cat's fur, the last dress. Rule number 2. Most plural nouns end in s. An apostrophe is added to these nouns to form their possessive. Examples: the swan's long necks, the soldier's uniform. Rule number 3. Some plural nouns do not end in s. An apostrophe and an s is added to these nouns to form their possessive. Examples: the men's work tools, the oxen's tails. Rule number 4. Some proper nouns end in s, x, or z. In writing their possessive form, we follow the general rule. We add an apostrophe and an s to singular nouns and an apostrophe only to plural nouns. Example: singular, Mrs. Bildad's son, Attorney Bildad's brother, Mrs. Martinez's class. And rule number 4, examples: in plural, the Palafox's new house, the Barakias' family outing, and Mrs. Martinez's resort. Rule number 5. Acronyms and dates also have possessive forms. We add an apostrophe and an s to them. Examples: former President GMA's speech, 2020's worst typhoon. Thank you for listening, grade 4. God bless. See you again next time.